In today's evolving B2B world, the inability to provide accurate and timely quotes and slow lead response time negatively impact the win rate. And that's where Salesforce CPQ software emerges as a winner in the landscape of sales automation in both B2B and B2C segments. There is no denying that Salesforce CPQ software can significantly accelerate the sales team. But what about the customer journeys and experiences from the other side? Today, many sales reps guide their customers in selecting the right products to buy. Want to know how? Guided selling in Salesforce CPQ is the secret sauce to delivering the best customer experience possible. With guided selling, users can quickly and easily sort through an extensive product catalog to find what they are looking for. In this video, we'll walk you through the benefits of guided selling and how to implement it. Let's begin with the overview of the project and the client's requirement. Our clients want to choose the product based on the availability of the selection list, which will be very helpful for the customer to select their favorite products in a short time. The client's requirements are as follows. When we select the hardware as a product category, then all the hardware types of product will be shown on the quote line editor page. Next, if we want to select a particular product using the product code, we choose the product code and click on Submit button. Then, all the products will be shown on quote line editor page. And the second scenario is when we select the software as a product category, then all the software types of product will be shown quote line editor page. When we choose the other category type of product, then based on selection, the result will be shown. Let's discuss what is CPQ and what guided selling is. Salesforce Configure Price Quote software is best described as an automation tool designed with a predefined purpose to speed up the quote to cash process. This allows sales representatives to dynamically create and deliver quotes for different custom packages. Guided selling in CPQ is an effective tool that asks questions about customer needs based on the product options available. To do this, you create a prompt that asks the sales representative for the type of product they want to add to their quote and specification. The choices are narrowed down to multiple options because Salesforce CPQ analyzes their responses and displays a list of products that match the responses. This process is called guided selling. Let me show you the steps of guided selling implementation. The first step is to create a code process. The second step is to create a process input. The third step is to create a process input condition. When we click on the code and edit lines, it comes to add the final product. Then the guided selling window is open, where we can select the hours, chosen products, or any condition we are considering here. And this is the resulting window which is based on our selection. Like in this guided selling, I select the product category, which is hardware. And the second one is we choose the product code, then we click on suggest, then this category, and this product will be shown in quote line editor. Let me now show you the demo. First, we click on code and choose the code. It can be any code. Then, we click on edit lines. It will take a few seconds to load the page. Then we click on add product. You can see here is guided selling. Here is product category, hardware, software, services, support, consumable. So if we click on hardware, you can see a product code. If we want to see the hardware types of the product, then we will click the hardware and click on suggest. Then all the hardware products will be shown by clicking on our suggestion. If we want to choose any particular hardware product, we have the product code. If we wish to see the camera and mic product, we will select the camera mic and click on suggest. So here is the product which we selected based on our condition. If we want to choose the product based on the product category and default quantity, then here is the product category. If we wish to see the product whose quantity is 20, we can enter 20 as a default quantity and click on suggest. So here is the product which has an amount of 20. And we want to see the product whose quantity is 30. So enter 30 and click on suggest. Here is the window where we don't see any product because of their category. No product is available whose quantity is 30. If we want to select see the software type of software category of the product, then we click on the software and suggest. You can see here's the product which is software category. That's all about Salesforce CPQ guided selling. Are you wondering how Salesforce CPQ can transform your business? Do you need any kind of assistance regarding Salesforce CPQ solutions or Salesforce CPQ guided selling implementation? Cloud Analogy's certified CPQ specialist can help you increase the entire organization's efficiency with Salesforce CPQ implementation. Reach out to us today. Thank you.